What's up? Vlogmas day. Oh my god. Okay. The 19th, which means, do we have 6 days for Christmas? Yeah. Choosing an outfit because we're gonna run to Walgreens. I'm just gonna wear leggings. Leggings. Hey, Jesse! Michael, I hate that you wouldn't let me listen to that. Full of Christmas clothes. Okay. I think I'm gonna put these boots on. I don't need to put this shirt. No, and show the leg. Or maybe I should put a different shirt on. I changed. Let's grab this. Hey guys. Brittany, you gotta come be in it. Can't really tell. They put purple in her hair earlier. Anyway, so we're going to do Brianna's hair again. Brad, don't watch this. Anyways, everybody knows who Brad Mondo is. Wait, let me see your hair. Oh wow, you can see it a lot better on camera.
You can see it right here too.
Do you see that?
Yeah. Hey y'all.
Excuse me, it's Vlogmas. I did it. I know I want a smoothie, but I don't know if I want a green, the naked one, or the bolt house. I feel like people are gonna think I'm weird because I always go for the green machine, but anyways. Welcome back to the POV of Vlogmas. How are we doing? How are we doing? Oh my god, I didn't realize this is where all the alky went. What up? This is the, I took